for many years now, I have been wearing Oakley glasses. I've had two sets of glasses from Oakley. Their ones were kind of frosted glass kind of look, but this is when I got these were like a brand new model. I picked these up in Australia, and I've had these now for about 6 years. Now, wear and tear, you get scratches on the lenses, and me being primarily left eye only, I had picked up a scratch just about in my line of vision, so every time I wore the glasses I could see the scratch, and you know, it takes away from the experience of glasses because you can still see, but it's annoying to see continuous scratches. It's like having a big smudge in front of your glasses at all times. But I thought I'll go online and see if I can find lens replacements, and I found this company called Sunglass Fix, and they're based in Australia. You literally go onto their website, you type in the model number of your glasses, and then the lenses come up. You have lots of different options between normal, polarized, and diamond cut polarized, just different strengths. I went for the diamond. It cost me £44. And you get this box. Now, in the box, you get, opens up, you get a nice little cleany cloth, microfiber, so you can dust your lenses, de-dust your lenses, de-grease your lenses if you may. And you also get these. Now, I went with polarizing diamond cuts, the top of the range wants to replace these. These are I have already replaced them. It's nice and simple to replace. You literally just pull the frame up and then bend it out, and then get the new lenses in, and it's that simple. New lenses come in these things, and yeah, that's what the old lenses used to look like. And it keeps these old guys going. Check out the Sunglass Fix. Not sponsored, but absolutely fantastic service. Anyway, check back for the next video. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. This is 4DXT.